Hello and welcome. Thank you for coming and watching my video. If you're a returning follower or subscriber, I thank you very much. If you're new to this channel, you've never watched the videos here before, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click that little notification bell, and you'll get all my other videos as they come out. Today I want to talk to you guys about AI, which is basically artificial intelligence. We know we have Siri, which is a smart intelligence for the iPhones. We have the Alexa, which is a smart system that Google owns. We also have Cortana on the computers. We have the Google Assistant. There's a lot of different artificial intelligence out there right now. But the real question is, are they going to actually take over the world? Now, we do have autonomous, which means freestanding robots these days that are working with artificial intelligence so they can learn how to be more human-like. But really, we don't have many that can actually walk, talk, function, do all the stuff, kind of like we see in the movies, such as like the Will Smith movie, I, Robot. We will have that eventually, though. But the real question is, how far do you think AI is going to get? And will it ever take over the world and just destroy humans? That's something we need to think about. Because right now, within this year, 2019, no matter when you guys are watching this, AI is getting more and more intelligent. We are now using what's called Google Duplex to make our reservations, to make our orders, and it sounds almost human-like. So the real question we got to ask ourselves is, how intelligent do we want to make AI, and can we make AI friendly and helpful? We already know Siri is very helpful on the iPhones, and it's getting better and better as things go by. Google Assistant is getting better as it goes by. But we also have a lot of issues with Alexa eavesdropping on us and listening to our conversations. And so we got to figure out, where's that level of privacy, where's the level of help, where's the level of assistance. So understanding technology and understanding the voice assistants for AI is going to be extremely important, because for most of us, that's going to be our daily life. For most of our young children, that's going to be the way they communicate with everything else. That's the way they're going to deal with their bank accounts, their school, businesses, their smartphones, smart tablets, computers. That's going to be the way of the future. So the question you got to ask yourself, though, are you afraid of AI? Do you embrace AI? Are you going to learn how to use the artificial intelligence to help you in your daily life, your online business, whatever you're doing? So I want to give you guys this information now, because we are getting close to 2020. We've got a span of about 10 years for AI to actually expand and become mainstream, let's say. And robots to become mainstream, to pretty much take over most of our manual labor jobs. So if you've not created your online business now, if you're not working online, my recommendation is, don't waste your summers and don't waste your free time. Yes, you can have days of watching your Netflix and all that. Sit down and start creating something, utilizing your skills, utilizing what you know. Figure out what you're going to do for your online business and start running it now. Utilize your Instagram followings, your Facebook followings, your other social media followings, and start helping other people. Because the faster you create an online business and the faster AI grows, the better off you're going to be in the future. Okay? That is what I want to talk to you guys about today. If you got any questions on AI, leave them in the comments below. Let me know. Follow me on Instagram. I got my links below on there. Give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you get notified. That's pretty much what I got for you guys today. And don't be afraid of technology. Try to embrace it and try to learn it. Okay? Till then, I will catch you guys later with more videos.